just said that things were so different when we first met. This strange dancing boy at the Camden Buffalo, talking to strangers in the middle of the night. As everybody brushes off on the dance floor, all the pretty girls are screaming out for more. As a boy with no top on plays the guitar, all the pretty girls are screaming, take off your pants. If you go back to where we first met, it will only break your heart. And if you go back to where we first met, it will only break your heart. As everybody stares at the boy on the stage, I get kicked out for looking underage, hitting pots and pans as I nod my head, listening to DJ playing shit records.